partners, and he reminded me that it was over 18 months ago, almost 2 years ago, that he originally came here for his shoulder. And that was one of the times when we only had one room where we were doing treatments, and he was a believer after the shoulder treatment. So I'm just curious to know, because a lot of times people hear our stories of success, but they want to know, how does it really affect long term, right? And what's the real effect of these treatments after a year, after 2 years? So thanks for being willing to talk, Mark.
Yeah, so my shoulder was bad for about 20 years.
Okay.
I just always never went through with the surgery.
Yeah.
And when I came in and saw you guys, you did the evaluation, you told me I had a bicep tendon issue, AC joint, the rotator cuff, and the labrum. So you put shots in 6 different areas. Mm-hmm. And it took, I'd say, a few weeks where I could feel something was going on at night. I could feel twitching and like spasms. But it started getting stronger. Yeah. And when I went back, I only took about 4 days in a sling. Yeah. I was back in the gym doing jiu-jitsu about 5-6 days later. Wow. I just didn't use the arm. Yeah. And then after about 3 weeks, I started using it lightly. And I found that I was still using it like I was babying it. Like I had always done it for 20 years because it would dislocate so easily. But little by little, I started just stretching it out more, and it never has dislocated again. That's now awesome. I do everything with it, so I don't, it took probably 9 months psychologically to get confidence in.
And strength back.
Exactly. Yeah, there was a lot of atrophy. Mm-hmm. I could not even dead hang off a bar before, and now, I can do pull-ups and stuff again.
Oh, that's so great.
Dead hang. So yeah, it's really great. And I try to tell people that have similar issues to do it. A lot of them still opt for surgery. Yeah. I think they're crazy, but it's been great. I would say it's 90% completely healed. Like if I lay down and I do the full rotation where I drag my hand across the back, I'm an inch shy of being able to drag the fingertips, and I feel a little discomfort, but it's stable. It doesn't feel like it wants to dislocate. Whereas before, it was always, when I get a little too far, you could feel it sliding. Now,
scary.
Yeah. So now it's completely stable. I never have that. And I push it. I use it a lot. I grab people's legs, like for single legs, or stretch my arms out. Yeah. And it's so good that I feel like I must annoy people with it, how much I tell them. Anytime anybody hurts, I tell them, come in here and just get some shots, you'll be okay. And the people that have picked me up on it are so happy. Like, they love that they did it. And the ones that don't do it, they go get surgery. You won't see them again. I don't see them again for a while because they're rehab. So that's what's interesting.
Yeah, that's really good. Thanks for you've referred a lot, and you've also seen a lot of people's journeys. And it sounds like we have a long-term success story here.
Yeah, and everyone I referred to has loved it also.
That's awesome.
Knees, ankles, elbows, so all sorts of things.
Yeah, it's basically the same tendons, ligaments, joints, and nerves run similar patterns of injury throughout your whole body. So if the solution will work in one area, it's more likely they're not going to work in another area. So.
And what I did, because it's hard to explain to friends, I just say stem cells, just because it's kind of what they understand. Yeah. But it was placental matrix.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. Which is from stem cells, but it doesn't have the whole live stem cell process in there with the DNA and things that would be reactive to you. So it's the good stuff out of the stem cell, stimulating healing and recovery. Exactly right. Yeah. Hello, Carol Bender here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more content like the one you just saw.